Silver and gold and all precious metals have literally exploded in price. Are they becoming unobtainable? We're going to talk about that on this week in gold, silver, and precious metals update prices, everybody. Happy coffee. Happy Saturday, everybody. Happy coffee. Wow, our precious metals have literally exploded in price, and we're going to talk about that this morning a little bit later on in this video. But first, we're going to update you on all of our precious metals prices, everybody. It is crazy. Are they becoming unobtainable? Are people turning to alternative metals for their investments and their future? So let's get to it. And hey, before we get to it, let's make sure to have a sip of coffee. Throat noises and all, everybody. So right before we get to this, let's say thank you to all of you for commenting, for watching our videos, to exploding these videos. SSC really appreciates it. ADHD, everybody. This has been a fun year, and I thank you so very, very much. All over the world. I mean, literally all over the world, everybody. We appreciate it. Thanks for watching yesterday's video. I was really under the weather, been sick really the last couple of days. I have to go to work. Sick or not, I'm like the U.S. Postal Service. I'm there every day except a government holiday. Oh gosh. Anyway, let's get started. Crazy, amazing news. We got the green light on over there. You know, we could say red light right now, but technically, since everything's way up and we haven't pulled back on our precious metals, I will say I am a little worried about Monday. What could happen Monday? Things could go different. You know, they could really, really go crazy. So let's talk about gold first. Gold is up as of yesterday's in market, $54.40. It's $4,535, everybody. Happy coffee on that one, right? So that is crazy. And I haven't looked at the gold and silver ratio today yet, so it's going to be a shocker to me also. And once again, happy Saturday, everybody. Good morning. I have to go to work, you know, off Thursday, Friday, and then work Saturday. Spent Friday sick. Kind of started on Thursday on Christmas Day. So it is what it is. You know, those things happen. So silver is one of the big ones. Golly, what did we start out at? 74, 75 bucks, 74 bucks in the last few days, 73, 72. We are at 79.27 for the end of the week. That is crazy. We talked about everybody about silver at 80, at 100 by 2026. Are we going to go 70 by the end of this last week or by the end of December in this year in 2025? And silver once again has just blown us all away, including me. I mean, we knew it was going to go there. We weren't 100% positive that it was going to go this high, and we didn't even know it was really going to hit 70. Well, that blew us out of the water. So 79.27, guys. It is up 743. It's up, you know, a lot. That's a chunk of money, everybody, for silver for a day, right? It's going absolute crazy. By the way, at the end of this video, I'm going to show you what I think is an awesome pickup. that I got in yesterday. It's just one. It's just one, but we'll show it to you back there in the background. So all the precious metals have just exploded. Silver, 79.27, guys. Anything that I bought in the last month, the premiums are gone. It's blew right by them. I mean, it's crazy. Some of you have been stacking for years and years and years. It's like, when is the right time to sell my silver? Well, any time's the right time if you need to sell it. Is it going to be difficult to sell? I don't know. The local coin dealers, man, if I was a coin dealer, everybody, I'd be going, hey, can y'all buy some stuff instead of try to sell your stuff? I'd be putting a halt to buying. I don't know if you could keep cranking. I guess there's one dealer in Tulsa, Oklahoma that called it quits, said, we're done. It's out of hand. Everybody wants to sell. Nobody's buying. So we're done. We're retiring. So, and I understand platinum, guys, is a huge, huge winner in the metals market right now. And our inside guy said it was going to be, and it is. It's $2,451, guys. Is platinum going to hit 3,000 by the middle of next year? Could it hit it quicker? I mean, it's up $213. I mean, it's gone nuts. I really haven't jumped into researching platinum here lately, but I'm going to start pulling some charts up and look and see what platinum has done. I need to start that because platinum is going crazy. Palladium, same way, $1,922. It's kind of like the silver and gold thing, right? Platinum's up here, palladium's right here. When platinum goes up, palladium goes up, and they kind of go up together. It's up $223. Is it gonna pass platinum? I don't know. I mean, it is crazy. Rhodium hasn't changed. It's 8,000. That was the shocker yesterday. But man, all these metals are going absolutely outrageous. I'm just like, what is going on with this? Let's look at the gold to silver ratio, guys. This is a shocker. For some of you, it's not. The way silver has skyrocketed in price, it's just going crazy. It's 57-1 right now. Since I started stacking, and like I've told a lot of you, I'm pretty well a new stacker, but I got a pretty good jump on it. So I've got a really good jump on stacking silver in just 1 year. So I did that on purpose because if you've watched all my videos, some of you know I lost my life insurance when our company changed our what do you call it? Our benefits. And so I lost a big chunk of life insurance. So, insurance companies always want to just kind of screw us all. And they want all these medical evaluations. When you turn 60, guys, it's difficult to get stuff. So I just started dumping money in gold and silver, primarily silver, but I do have gold, but that's amazing. 57 to 8.18. So 57-1. It wasn't like this when I started. So this to me is amazing for long-term stackers. You've seen it even lower than this. So what are you going to do? Is it time for you to sell up at $79 an ounce? Can you even find anybody to buy silver, to buy gold right now? I'm sure gold. Yes. Are they going to buy silver? I don't know. I mean, we're looking at Hong Kong's at 74.45 by the end of the week, and Mumbai's at 74.65. London's 75.50. 75.66. New York. So what's pushing this silver? Everything that we've been talking about is pushing silver. Industrial demand. We're talking our demand, us buying with central banks all over the world buying silver. as a safe haven. Interest rate cuts, the talk about future interest rate cuts early in 2026, if that happens, people are prepping, and that's what's driving it, everybody. So let's look at gold backs, and then we're going to talk about here after these updates on this next few things. We're going to talk about, hey, is it unobtainable? What's everybody going to do? So gold backs are 8.95 exchange rate. Wow, they follow the gold. All the gold backs that we have, I think we don't have a bunch of them, everybody. We have like 40 of them, and we have 1 through 10s. We're trying to collect each state, all of their gold backs. So, golly, about 40 of them. And I think we bought them at most of them. Now, some of them we haven't been a little bit higher, but we're still way ahead at like 8 something. I mean, no, 648 or something. Anyway, I'll have to go back. Golly. So we're way ahead of the game on the gold backs. Copper we're still sitting at 551 a pound on copper. On copper futures, that's metal price. On copper futures, it's like 585, guys. Copper in 2026, I think, is really gonna rocket up there. So we're going to talk about that in just a second. Bitcoin, same old stuff. 87,543. Right back there. I've got a Bitcoin sitting out on the my little display over there, just so I can remind myself that's what you stack Bitcoin in, not digital. So that's how we feel about that. COMEX silver, the futures on COMEX. I mean, if you're just a paper trader, a contract trader, 79.67 on silver. Their high was 79.70. So, I mean, I want to hold my stuff like you. I want to be able to get it out and inventory it. We spent on the video that we did Thursday. Yeah, it was Thursday morning. We spent some time inventorying that stuff, and I know what I have for all my other stuff at the other location, and then we pack this stuff up and it goes back. So, but at least we have an inventory, a better inventory now of everything we have in 2026. I'll just add a couple of things to that and we'll be good. Now, before we get into some alternative things that we can do going through this high silver and gold prices, I want to say something real quick. We had a viewer, and I appreciate all your comments, that said I can actually, I kind of laughed, but I kind of didn't. Said that I can put up with your videos, SSC, but I can't put up with the fact that you show your stack on your videos. I think it's wrong, and that you guys, you stackers and you YouTubers shouldn't show your stack to other people that are less fortunate and can't afford to buy a whole bunch of silver. Okay, so first of all, my channel, my rules, if I want to show my wonderful viewers and my subscribers our 2025 stack, the stack of silver that we worked so hard and sacrificed so much to obtain, I'm going to do it. So there are a lot of people, everyone, that are less fortunate than we are, and we pray for them every day. There are a lot of people that have way more than we are. Am I jealous of the people, of the stackers that have 10,000 ounces of silver and 2,000 ounces of gold? No, I am not. I don't have an issue with that at all. I don't think it's wrong for you to show me what you have as a stacker. I don't think it's wrong for you to tell me what you have as a stacker. So that being said, I understand your comment and I appreciate your comment, but it's my channel and I'm going to show off what I'm proud of and what I worked so hard for, what I worked to get. And that's just the way it is. So I don't want my viewers thinking I'm just up here blowing smoke up your tail end, that I don't have any, that I'm just doing a YouTube channel. So there you go. Hey, if you have less, you're doing a great job. I don't ever degrade you. You're doing a great job. Any amount is fantastic. You keep doing it. If it takes a quarter ounce of silver every 2 months and that's all you can afford, you keep doing it because you're doing great. That's all I can say. If you're stacking, I don't care if it's nickels, dimes, pennies, you're doing fantastic, everybody. So that's my rant for the day. Really quick. What are you going to do when we have silver prices at 79.27? Okay, what is going to happen? I'm a little bit worried about Monday. Could we crash on the silver? Could we continue on to 80? Guys, it's a 50-50 on Monday next week, but I think it's going to go over 80. I didn't think it was going to do this soon, this quick, and I'm shocked. So that pushes us into big numbers in 2026 in January. If it hits 80 and it continues to go and it continues to run that bull run that it's been running all year long, it's going to be upper 80s. It might be 100 before the end of next year. It might be 100 in a month or 2 months. It's a possibility. So is it becoming unobtainable? For a lot of people, yes, but you can still buy silver in fractional amounts. What an ounce of silver cost 4 months ago, you might be able to buy a quarter ounce or a half ounce, but you can still get it. It's called dollar cost averaging. So as I'm not a financial advisor, and I've told you guys that, if you want one, you go look one up. They'll charge you a lot of money. But but you can still get it and you can still keep stacking and look for those big dips. If we have a big dip, here lately we really haven't had a huge dip, had a $2 or $3 dip. That's pretty good crash to me if you got a lot of silver you need to sell. But you can still buy on those dips, even if it's $2, $3, $4. Save yourself a little money. Everything's going up in price, everybody. Everything all over the world. So look, go buy you some silver, go buy you some gold. In my opinion, that's what I do. And I think that's my investment. That's my savings account. And we're going to keep doing it. Alternative metals. What are some of the great alternative metals? I think the minted copper bars are alternative metals. So, and then we've got, of course, we got platinum and all that stuff, but they're going up too. But, there might be, you might have titanium and nickel to invest in. Gosh, what about aluminum? Could aluminum skyrocket in price? A lot of these industrial metals skyrocket in price. You might start looking into that. I might start looking into that. I already do copper. So let's check out a really cool piece that we got in, and then we'll get off here and go to work. So as everybody knows, one of the alternative things that SSC is getting in is copper. Mainly the minted copper stuff. This kind of stuff right back here, I enjoy as collecting, okay? Some Libertad stuff and the 5 ounce rounds. But the main portion of it are these bars is what I'm going to be keeping for actual, and I say this, and some of you will say differently, as an investment, the minted bars, which are rocketing in price. Now, I found this next pickup. I couldn't believe it. I never looked into it. And I found this next pickup. And I was actually shocked. And I'm going to get some more of these. And I think these are going to be a good investment. Everybody, check it out. We found a 100 gram slabbed square, beautiful square Geiger bar, guys. That is just absolutely beautiful. 100-gram bar. So that bad boy, and I'm going to buy some more of these. They're actually fairly reasonable. I'm just curious of how long these are going to be available, how long before, you know, the popularity jumps on these bad boys and you can't find them, just like the Germania bars and the Geiger bars are very difficult to get right now. Very, very popular stuff. And, you know, when supply and demand changes and demand is up and supply is down, guess what happens to prices on products? Simple economics. Things go up. That's why I'm very happy with my minted bar purchases. And if I can get 2 or 3 or more of these, even if I can get them in some smaller denominations, ounce, 5 ounce, 10 ounce, I'd like to have, gosh, if I could get one of these in a big boy. But 100 grams is big enough. They're actually, I mean, if you can see, that's a pretty good sized bar. And it's a very, very beautiful bar. So a beautiful Geiger slabbed 100-gram copper bar, everybody. That's possibly one of the alternative metals. Let's put this in here. That you could invest in, as silver could possibly be unobtainable in the future. But in my opinion, silver really isn't unobtainable. You just can't buy as much. So everybody keep rocking and rolling on your investments. Don't get discouraged by high prices on this stuff. And you just keep trucking right along. SSC right here, Oklahoma, United States, America, guys. Everybody, enjoy your Saturday while I have to go work. I'm out.